Hello, this is your girl Quinn with Crafty Divapreneurs, and today what we're going to go over is we're going to be making a desktop wallpaper. So, oops, didn't mean to do that. Let me show you what I have here. So this is my desktop wallpaper, background, whatever you want to call it. I made it in Canva, and that is what we're going to be working on today. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your designs already. You load it into your Canva, which I have it already. Of course, you can go up here and search desktop wallpaper right here. And you can either pick from what's there already and tweak it out to your liking. Looks kind of cute. All right, but we're gonna start from a blank canvas. But I already have it, so guess what? We're gonna act like this is a blank canvas. So I'm just gonna add a page down here. Now, your you can find the dimensions of your desktop on your computer, or if you go into your settings. And majority of them is going to be around the 1020, 1920, 1080 pixels. So that will give you like your best quality. So yeah. All right. So now first thing we're going to do, since I already have everything uploaded to my Canva, I'm just going to go ahead and find my wallpaper. And then I'm using the same design because I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. Um, and then what was the other? It was, oh, I gotta remember how it looked. This, I'm gonna spread that out. I actually might make this one just a little bit bigger. And you can design it however you want to. It's to your liking. And with Canva, what I like is you see those purple lines that was there. That's letting me know that my items are centered vertically and horizontally. So that's always a plus. And then I am going to, this is just a quick tutorial because it's really, really, really simple and easy to make this. So go ahead. And of course, I have to be extra. Everything has to have bling on it. So I'm going ahead and oops, Control D it so I can duplicate it. And I think I like it. Ooh, I think I like it. Um, you know, probably gonna do a little something extra for boss in the car. Cause we making boss moves out here. And listen, that is all to it. Like that's it. Again, the only thing you do is you upload your designs. Upload your designs. Excuse me for my background noise. Do apologize. Hey, I'm a mother with kids. Um, so let's go over that again. Go and you can type in desktop wallpaper. Go with a blank canvas. Again, it's the same process. I already have everything uploaded in here already. So you just need to find your wallpaper. Boom. Snapshot. Click on that one because I wanted to size this one. So with this one, I drag it over, okay? Then with this, whatever middle one you want, you can you just click on it and click on that, and then put whatever else you want on there. Now, let's go back to my finished design. Now, the next step you do is you would go here. Yours, okay, so I have a different kind of Canva. So yours may say download right there already. I just have to go to download one more time. You want to download it as a JPEG. And I just need to download the second page because I already have the first one. So when you download it, right, it's gonna download. And then this window here is gonna pop up to name it. So I'm gonna put um, top background, right? Okay. So then let me pull up my background or wherever I saved the file at. I'm sorry. Let me pull up where I saved the file. Now, either you can double click on this and open the whole thing up, and then you can set it as your background, or from here, it's highlighted. Now, a lot of people don't know this step, so let me show you real quick. So to get a preview um of how your items look, you will go right here and go to details, or no, go to show, and you can see preview pane. And that's where you can see how it looks before you click on it. All right. So we go ahead and you just click on it and then go right here to set as a background. And yeah, I know before it had boss on it. So let's go see what's on there now. And that's it. All you gotta do, set as background. Let's go. Oops, I don't mean to click that. Alright. And there we go. And we're done. That's it. Bust, queen, fits perfectly. Still got your icons here. Yeah, we good. Now I need to figure out how to switch up these icons a little bit, but that's something for another day. So this is a little quick tutorial. I just want to show y'all real quick of how you can make your own wallpaper. Um, that way, you can put something nice and cute on here, how to your liking. You can make some to sell, whatever you choose to do. But I like my computers to look cute, so I'm probably about to make another one because I need one for my laptop. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure, and until next time when I bring you one of the fabulous videos from the Crafty Divapreneurs. Bye.